See, your entire life, science, biology, and your teachers have told you that your genetics determine how you look, that you can't change how you look. Well, I'm here to tell you that science is wrong. Okay, science isn't wrong. But I am here to tell you that there is some leeway here. See, there are certain things that you can do to your appearance that will completely change how you look and how others perceive you. Let's hop into this. Number 1, trim your eyebrows lower. See, there is nothing sexier than a man with like a mysterious, sexy gaze. And to get that, you want to keep your eyebrows low. This lowers your gaze and makes you look more neutral. It doesn't make you look scared or anxious or surprised or sad. Instead, just neutral, unfazed, cool. And that is attractive. It also makes your forehead look a little bit bigger, which are masculine features that make you look better. So if you want to do this, when you trim your eyebrows, you want to trim the top part to bring them down a bit lower, and you don't want to trim as much at the bottom that's going to raise your eyebrows and make them look surprised. Number 2, wear a new frame. See, you already know the benefits of frames, and if you don't, you're missing out. Frames will structure your face and make you look good. The problem is that most people wear the same frames over and over again. The Clubmasters, the Aviators, the Wafers, these are classic frames, and yes, they look good, but chances are you only have one pair, and that's the one you use all the time, so people expect it already. But if you really want to change your look, you want to shock and awe and look good, wear a frame that's outside the box. See, these are what we call the new modernist, a very modern, simple frame that, again, it'll elevate the way you look. It's completely different than a basic Aviator or a Clubmaster. It still structures your face, but it's outside the box. Boys, this is the new modernist. It just dropped today. If you saw our entire campaign, you know this Jade Black collection, boys, it is the sickest collection we've ever done. 4 new frames, including the Modernist, the Horacio, the Zed, the Audreys. The Audreys, by the way, are probably the sickest frame in the entire collection. The point is that every single design, we were meticulous with it. Every little detail, even up to our new brand logo. Boys, there is a reason why I call this a work of art, why the whole campaign was around this. It is legit our best design collection because of how much attention to detail went into this campaign. Boys, we were supposed to launch this a month ago. We had to push it back to today because there's been a shortage and a backtrack on supplies worldwide, globally, in every industry, like lumber, car chips, even consumer goods. Everything is getting harder to ship in. This is why some of our best designs are completely sold out and have been sold out for months. Well, this new collection, boys, this is probably gonna fly. If you're not clicking the link down below right now and picking up 1, 2, or shoot, get all 4 pairs, because I promise you, once these sell out, it's going to be 3-4 months, if that, to get new supply in, and I don't want you to miss it. Boys, a new frame will change everything about how you look and about your style, especially one of these new designs that I purposely designed to elevate and diversify how you look. Not to mention that if you shop today and today only, we're running a giveaway. See, 2 lucky guys that shop today alone will be entered into a giveaway to be flown out here to New York City. You're going to get all expense paid flight, hotel, food, and you're gonna spend 1 day here in the office with us. You're gonna see the operations, and as well, we're gonna have a one-on-one. You're gonna be able to ask me style questions, fitness questions, business questions, relationship, whatever it is. We're gonna have a one-on-one, and it's gonna be a great time. Boys, we've never done a giveaway like this. We've never dropped a collection like this. If you're not clicking that link down below, you're gonna miss out. Number 3, change the way you brush your hair. This is what I used to look like about 3-4 years ago. I had long hair, I would brush it back, it was straight, a lot of volume. This is me now. Curly hair, a lot shorter. I keep my hair up in the front. See, a change of hairstyle would change how you look completely, but sometimes changing your hairstyle can be hard. So an easy thing you can do in the morning is change the direction you brush your hair. So if you're usually brushing your hair towards the back, I want you to brush it forward. Let it sit in the front. Or if you usually brush your hair towards the side, I want you to brush it towards the other side and create some volume and change the shape of your face. Number 4, energize your eyes. See, our eyes are a legit window to our soul. This is the first thing people see when we're in communication with them. If they're tired, dull, if your skin is loose and stretched out with dark eye circles, you can literally change how your eyes look by just using a rejuvenating eye cream. Apply that thing every night, and I promise you, the skin around your eyes will tighten. Those dark eye circles and bags will disappear. Your eyes will look brighter, more energized, more alive. So when you're having that conversation, you've completely changed your eyes. Number 5, purge your closet. See, when you want to change how you look, what you wear is an effect of that. And if you wear the same thing over and over and over again, especially if it's bad, you can shock and awe everybody by changing your closet. So I want you to be unbiased. Go to your closet, and I want you to throw out anything that's stained, anything that's stretched out, that's shrunken, that has a hole, that doesn't fit right, that doesn't make you look good. All of that has to go. Sell it, donate it, do whatever you want. Grab that money and then reinvest in new pieces into your wardrobe that will change how you look. Number 6, wear jewelry you normally wouldn't wear. See, for a lot of guys, wearing a watch, that's easy. Everybody wears watches. Well, I want you to start wearing a bracelet. But let's say you already do wear metal bracelets, gold, silver, stainless steel. I want you to switch it up. Wear beaded bracelets. Wear fabric bracelets. And then when you feel comfortable with that, add something a little bit different. See, jewelry is a great piece to help elevate how you look and change how you look, because you don't have to change your entire closet. You just have to buy one good piece, like a necklace, and wear it in multiple fits, and you're going to look completely different. And finally, number 7, wear darker colors. Here's the thing, boys. Once you start stripping away all those bright colors and bring it back down to neutrals and basics, especially darker colors, you're going to look sexier. Your silhouette's going to be streamlined. My God, you're just going to look classy. Not to mention, it makes you look more slender, more athletic. Darker fits, especially monochromatic dark fits, always change how you look and make you look better. And that's basically it for this week's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to drop us a like down below. Also, boys, don't forget to check out our collection for Jade Black that dropped today. You're not going to want to miss it. That's it for me today. See you next time.